Hi everyone. Today, we'll walk through payroll from start to finish, covering a step-by-step guide on payroll. What is payroll? Payroll is how employers compensate employees for their work. It involves calculating wages, withholding taxes, and deducting items like healthcare premiums and retirement contributions. Let's break down the process. Collect employee information. Employers gather details like tax forms, such as the W-4, banking info for direct deposit, and benefits selections. Track work hours, using timecards or software to ensure employees are paid correctly for the hours worked. Calculate gross pay, the total amount before deductions. For hourly workers, it's hours worked times hourly rate. For salaried staff, it's a fixed amount. Apply deductions and withholdings, federal and state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, healthcare, and retirement contributions. Pay employees, through checks, direct deposits, or payroll cards. Employers must also file payroll taxes with the IRS and state agencies using forms like 941 and W-2. Since manual payroll can be time-consuming, many businesses use tools like Gusto, ADP, or QuickBooks. SK Financial CPA can help you. Our payroll services start at just $135 per month,